Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
This is Vishal, and we have gathered here to make a debate on topic separate education versus co-education. We all about know separate education and co-education, but I favor separate education because lots of reason behind it. First of all, I make the meaning of separate education. If a person who have a single type of gender like boys or girl, they make their study without any distraction of opposite gender like homosexuality.
So I am favoring in the co-education system. So firstly I introduce what is co-education. So co-education is the system where boys and girls each study together, and we can take the example here we are all studied together by the sitting, and there are many benefits of co-education system. Firstly I give example. So if a boy and girl study together, so they get equal opportunity by the teacher, by the trainer, and by the imparter of knowledge and opportunities. And if the boy and the girl studied each other, so they can easily interact each other.
I want to say about your point. You are saying they have equal opportunities, but in the co-education there are a gender discrimination. Like if any function is around the corner, there are the only for the girls. They are practicing for the dance, and the teachers only call for the girl for preparing for the dance. And whereas the boys, they are not doing the dance, and they are just doing that type of competition which are perfect for the boys. Whereas in the separate education, if the school only for the girls, so the all activities for the girls, and the boys in the school of boys, they are all competition for the boys. They have to participate in the competition.
Firstly, there are many schools where girls and boys dance with each other. Dance is not only for girls and not only for girls. In the present time, boys also participate in dance.
I am not talking only about the dance. There are many activities. They are which has a gender discrimination in the co-education.
But I think co-education is more better than separate education, because because we all see that in separate education is also promote the students. They also build the confidence of students, and they also promote the student that if a boy and girl, if we also see that in separate education there is no fear in the boys and girls with interacting each other, and they easily connect with each other. And we all know that if a boy and girl do the work together, so if there are not understanding between between boy and girl, so how they do their work properly.
But nowadays, I think separate education is better than co-education because of parental care. If a student did their schooling from co-education, after that their parents did not allow to go for coaching institute, or did not allow to go for any institute for co-education, because nowadays crime rate are very high, and the distraction of co-education system is very high. So I think if a girl child which is read in co-education institute or any other institute, at that time the lots of chances they get distracted from their study, and they falling in love. I think that's my point.
In co-education system, girls and boys study together, and they know how to talk with girls, how to respect girls, how to express their views with each other.
Co-education is far better from separate education, because I think co-education teach us that how to communicate with other peoples, and how to get rid of your hesitation.
But don't you think it's also happen in the separate education? You also can get these things in the separate education, whereas the in the co-education, the girls have the fear, how can I express with the in front of the boys and our teacher, whereas in the separate education the girls are free from this all type of fears.
I want to say something. If a person want to study in the separate education, and how can you say that that student learn to means get rid of hesitation and other things from society, not from school. If a person hesitate to study in the co-education, then he also hesitate from society. And if a person hesitate to study from the co-education, then he also hesitate to do the job in the any sectors also, where male and female both are working together.
But as you say, to gender equality. After that, I make a point. First thing, co-education make you distraction, and opposite gender can attract with each other, and lots of time they make an impression on each other. After that, they didn't completely focus on their study. That's it.
I don't think you are saying that opposite gender attract each other. They are not magnet that opposite sides attract each other. They have their own mentality and they have their own understanding. I don't think they.
But if they have different mentality, how they can communicate with each other in co-education?
In co-education, they learn how to communicate with opposite gender. But in you see that in separate education, they talk girl to girl and they talk boy to boy. But how they know how to communicate with boys? How girls?
But how can teach us to communicate with each other in co-education system?
I think we learn from some practical things. If our teacher teaching us how to communicate with others, whenever we communicate with others, then we realize that how to communicate with others.